Hello again. Welcome to our look at the Wednesday trading session for December 10th. As we have the economic calendar, and as you can see, there's really not a lot in the way of high-level announcements coming out during the day. Really, the only extraordinarily high one is a New Zealand interest rate announcement, which of course is going to have very little effect on the markets outside of the New Zealand dollar itself. Trade balance non-EU comes out of Great Britain, as does trade balance. That could move the FTSE and the pound, but really beyond that, we don't see much to move the market beyond a little blip here and there. So we believe that this will almost undoubtedly be a fairly technical day. It should be mentioned that late in the day we have employment out of Aussie for the Aussie dollar. That, of course, will move the Aussie dollar US dollar pair, but really beyond that, that's really not a market moving event either. Looking at the S&P 500, you can see that we've had a pretty negative session during the day on Tuesday. Wednesday should send this market looking to break the top of this candle. If we get above 2060, we would be buyers, probably heading back to the 2080 level. 2040 looks very supportive, and 2000 really at this point in time we believe is the floor in this market. So we are buyers of calls on pullbacks to show support like we've seen during the Monday session. The euro dollar, as you can see, did try to go higher during the session here on Tuesday, but really 125, of course, still continues to be resistive. We pulled back quite a bit, and it now looks like buying puts will be the way to go going forward on short-term charts. We have no interest whatsoever in buying calls in this market. The FTSE, as you can see, has fallen apart during the Tuesday session, so really at this point in time it'll be interesting to see if the economic numbers can push the market around. 6,500 is a pretty significant level, so we'll have to see if the support does end up holding. A supportive candle could be a short-term call buying opportunity, as the market could very well bounce from this area. A close below the 6,500 level on a longer-term chart, such as a daily chart, sends this market into a much deeper correction. And finally, looking at the British pound, you can see that we tried to rally. 157 offers resistance again. A break below the bottom of the shooting star should send this market lower, probably looking for the 155 level. So we are buyers of puts on a break below the range for the session on Tuesday. That being the case, we are bearish. And with that, we've taken a look at the Wednesday, December 10th trading session.